All right, here is a layout of the kitchen. I can show you this just so you fully understand what we're looking at. Mind you, there is a wall here, but I've removed it just so we can see it a little easier. I can certainly make this a frosted glass cabinet. Still have the wood frame and then the frosted glass doors. And as far as this corner cabinet, most clients choose to stay with this design. Just better optimize the space, but that cabinet looks something like this. The blue turquoise outline is of the cabinet, of course. So this is that upper cabinet. So both of these doors open up together and open up. So this door is attached here. Let's try to open up this one and see what happens. It doesn't really show it that well, but these two doors open up. So you have a L-shaped shelf in there, so it's completely open. And most clients choose to stay with this instead of a corner clipped cabinet because it just creates a bigger dead space or further back to the corner to reach because it's blocked off by the cabinet going at a 45-degree across the corner. So anyway, frosted glass, some changes to your hood in the last email are Lazy Susan right here. You have ducting going through this cabinet. I believe this is the tray divider right here. Cookie sheet storage, big drawer stack, your dishwasher, sink cabinet, no apron sink, couple more drawer stacks. You wanted your microwave to sit here. A light box above your window. And this is the cabinet with some cubbies underneath. And this cabinet originally was going to be broom storage. So if you're thinking of a pantry storage for this, it's really not wide enough, especially once you put the fridge in there, because that's going to protrude out possibly 36 inches. So if we draw a line, that's 34. That's 36 inches. So from the front of your fridge, now mind you that this right here would be the handle. It is a foot to the face of this cabinet. Broom storage, this would work, but as far as pantry storage, where you're going to be in and out quite a bit, if you wanted to do that, we need to make this wider. And we can make it probably pretty easily, maybe 6 inches wider. Of course, this cabinet would be narrowed by 6. Move the fridge to the right, and these drawers here, we'd probably eliminate one bank, and instead of having 6, we'd have 3, but that one set of 3 is just wider, if that makes any sense. All right, let me know what you think.